Joint Parliamentary Committee reviewing the One Nation, One Poll bill, which is set to launch a website to invite public feedback on the controversial proposal. The committee, headed by the BJP leader P.P. Chaudhary, aims to ensure transparency and include diverse political opinions in its deliberation. Here's a report on the latest development.
A joint parliamentary committee reviewing the One Nation, One Poll bill is expected to launch a website soon. The move is aimed at inviting public responses on the much-debated bill. The JPC panel, headed by BJP leader P.P. Chaudhary, claims to be working in full transparency to accommodate opinions from across the political spectrum.
की मीटिंग में दो एक्सपर्ट आए थे, फॉर्मर चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया रंजन गोगोई साहब और दूसरे फॉर्मर चीफ जस्टिस दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट के राजेंद्र मेनन साहब, और बहुत ही एग्जॉस्टिव उन्होंने अपना प्रेजेंटेशन दिया। और मुझे खुशी है कि पूरे कमेटी के जेपीसी के अक्रॉस द पार्टी लाइन हर मेंबर्स ने बहुत इंटरेस्ट लेकर करके बहुत ही क्लैरिफिकेटरी क्वेश्चंस पूछे।
We had a very fruitful discussion today in the JPC, and Justice Gogoi and Justice Menon, both of them elucidated the viewpoints, the legal viewpoints, and they practically thrashed into two parts. One was the political aspect, which they did not enter into, but the legal and law point of view was explained in detail, which was very convincing.
The panel, which is scheduled to hold its next review meet soon, will also incorporate the views of former Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi and former Delhi High Court Judge Rajendra Menon. Not new a concept, but the One Nation, One Poll bill has been widely debated and continues to be a flashpoint between the centre and the opposition.
Getting more updates coming in, viewers. Prime Minister Modi has been bestowed with the highest honour of Mauritius, the Grand Commander of the Order of the Star and Key of the Indian Ocean. PM Modi is the first Indian to receive the honour. PM Modi is on a two-day state visit to the Indian Ocean country on the invitation of Mauritius Prime Minister. PM Modi has called Mauritius mini India. He says Mauritius is a garden of various cultures. The PM was addressing an Indian diaspora gathering in Mauritian capital Port Louis, and which was attended by Mauritian Prime Minister.
सबको साथ लेकर आगे बढ़ा, ये दुनिया के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा उदाहरण है। ये एक प्रकार से अलग अलग कल्चर्स का खूबसूरत बगीचा है। भाषा, बोली, खान पान के हिसाब से देखें तो मॉरिशस में मिनी हिंदुस्तान बसता है।